In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumroad. Gumroad is an online platform that lets you sell digital products, memberships, and more without needing a complicated website. I'll walk you through the main areas of the dashboard so you know exactly where everything is and what it does. Once you log in, you'll land on your Gumroad dashboard. At the top, look for the Getting Started section. This is Gumroad's built-in checklist to help you set up a proper, functional store. Here you'll see tasks like creating your account, customizing your profile, creating your first product, and getting your first follower. Treat this as your setup roadmap. If you work through these items, you'll cover all the basics you need to start selling. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find the activity section. This is where you see your earnings metrics, your current balance, performance over the last 7 days and 28 days, and your total earnings. As you start making sales, this becomes your quick snapshot of how your store is doing. Next, look for the Products tab and click it. At the top, you'll see 3 main tabs. Click on All Products to view everything you're selling. From here, you can open existing products to edit them, or click New Product to start creating a new one. Still within Products, you'll also see an Affiliated section. This is where you can become an affiliate for Gumroad and earn commission by clicking Become an Affiliate. Next to that is Collabs, where you can offer a product in collaboration with another Gumroad creator to grow your audience. Use the Add a Collab button to set that up. There's also a Collaborators area where you can click Add Collaborator to share revenue with people who helped you create your products. Now click on Checkout. Inside you'll see 3 tabs: Discounts, Checkout Form, and Upsells. Here you can create discount codes, customize what your customers see at checkout, and set up upsells to increase your average order value. Move on to emails. This section lets you connect with your customers by posting updates, sending broadcasts, and using automated workflows to grow your audience. The workflows area is where you automate those emails based on triggers and schedules you define. Click on Sales to view and manage all your sales in one place. Every new customer and their details appear here. Analytics gives you an overview of your sales metrics so you can see what's working. Payouts is where you manage your banking information and receive your earnings. Discover lets you browse other creators and their content, which is useful for inspiration and market research. Library is your personal collection of purchases, where you can download, watch, read, or listen to anything you've bought. In Settings, you'll find everything related to your account profile, payments, and security. If you ever get stuck, click Help to see support articles, or New Ticket to contact human support directly. Finally, at the very bottom, click on your profile. From there, you can log out, access affiliate options, or view your profile. And that's pretty much how to use Gumroad.